What up guys, welcome to another vlog. Hope you guys doing great. Today in this video I'm just gonna show you guys how I cook my food. I won't gonna be talking too much. I'm just gonna show you guys, and I want you guys to check it out and let me know what you think. Yeah, and then later on we're gonna go and hang out with my boy McBeards. So I also want to say thank you for all of y'all, everyone and each one of you. Thank you for subscribing. Stay tuned for the cooking show. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up my steamed rice cooker and plug it in there. And then we're just gonna make sure that this part is facing me so that I know when it is cooking and not cooking. And then we're gonna go here, we're gonna fill up this one with water, and then we're gonna add the salt. Hey, that's a lot, but then we're gonna put this in here. Just gonna get the cover it. Just got the cover. I'm just gonna press cook. And then we're gonna add rice. I wanna cook something besides the rice, so we're gonna cut some potatoes, some onion, and all that stuff. So let me set up my cutting. Got the cutting, the knife. Gotta get the onion. We get some potato. 3 potatoes is enough. And then we're gonna have some potato peeler. Woo. First, let's cut some onion bake. I'm gonna peel that off with the knife. Make sure you guys don't cut yourself when you're cooking. I'm gonna take this. Gonna put these on the stove. Add a little bit of oil right here. And there. That's a lot of oil. Okay. Time to peel some potatoes. Hey, just gonna got my potato peeler. And just peel it. Hey, awesome. The person who made this was genius, man. So I'm gonna slice them up in like small pieces. Okay, I think the water is ready. So let's check on the water. I'm just gonna come and wash that. Let's get it warm. Yeah, so we're gonna grab rice. There you go. Don't have nothing else to do. We're gonna turn this up to cook it real quick. We're gonna grab peeling. Stir a little bit. Gonna add some salt. That's good. You know what? We're gonna add some potato now, and then a little bit of water. We're gonna turn the heat down a little bit so it doesn't get burnt. We're gonna add a little bit of tomato sauce. Turn up the heat. You wanna cook fast? Gonna add a little bit of water and let it cook for a bit, because potatoes take, it takes longer to cook. We're gonna add the water. We're gonna cover it up. and let it stay. Let's check on the rice. How's the rice doing? Woo. It's boiling. Let's go. Play some music. Alright guys, that's it. I'm just gonna go check on the potato. See if it's, hey, it's simmering. Woo! We're gonna stir it up a bit. Put this stuff right in the sink, and then we're gonna grab the beans. We're gonna grab the beans. I think it's right somewhere here. No, right here. It's somewhere here. Oh yeah, right here. Here's in on there. We're gonna go with this one. Woo. Gonna grab some can cutter. There's a can cutter. Let's kind of see. Come on. Oh man. Yeah, work. Oh man. I gotta do it different way. I'm gonna snap it since it's not working. That's good, guys. Gonna grab some sort of knife. Take it out like that. Come on. Oh man. Oh yeah. Look at that, baby. Got it. So we're gonna fit it right in there. Whoa. Oh, damn. Since I like spicy, I'm gonna add a little bit of chili in here. Hey. Gonna grab some chili. Hot chili powder, baby. Woo. Just gonna keep adding. I think that's good enough. Just let it cover up. Maximize this thing. Let it cook faster. This song is sick, man. We're gonna cook, we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna take off to make beards. I know, we'll see you guys. But I'm gonna let it cook, and then I'm gonna show you guys the results after, so stay tuned. Okay guys, everything is done, it's cooked, and I want to show you guys the end result of my cooking, you know. I'm so excited to show you guys. This is the result of my cooking. There you go. There you go, baby. There you go, baby. Alright guys, that's it. We're gonna dive in, we're gonna eat it. And what up guys, I just finished eating. So my beard is coming here like in 20 or I think 19 minutes. So we're gonna let him test my cooking and see what he says about. So if you want his opinion or his say, stay tuned. What up guys, my boy is here. Hey, what's up bro?
What's up guys?
So he about to try my plate, my cooking.
Alright guys.
Hey.
Alright, so what's in your potatoes?
Potato, beans, and the rice. So hey, I got a little bit of
spicy shit.
Hot chili. Hot chili. So yeah.
It's not bad, yo.
Yeah?
It's not bad.
I know, I tried, man. I like it, man. For me, I like it, yeah. For me, it was dope.
The potatoes are good, yo.
Yeah? Hey, you know what I got it from? Food bank. Like the guy who stays here, it was like, hey, you know what? Let's go grab some food from food bank. Like every Friday they give out food. So like you just go pick a number and they give you some potato, onions, and everything else, like bread, for example. I got a bunch of bread.
Damn, yo.
We can go if you're interested, bro. You go pick a number, you get free food. Yeah. I don't know if you wanted to add some sauce, you can add. That's not a strong sauce, but that's already like hot chili, so pretty good.
That's really good, yo. Potatoes are good.
Yeah, potato came out well. It was dope.
What spice did you put in here? Chili?
Hot chili, like that, yeah.
Cayenne?
I don't know. This spicy right here, Sriracha.
Cayenne, yeah. This shit's really good, yo.
Oh yeah, yeah. Dope. Okay, finish it, bro. That's it, guys. You heard the result. It was good. We'll see you guys in the next Master Chef. Alright guys, we're in the car right now. My brother McBees, he's grabbing the speakers. We're going to the CK and practice our moves. What up guys, we're here, we made it to the vacation hut. Just gonna set it up. Woo! We've been here only for an hour and I'm sweaty.